What's up guys, and welcome to today's video. So in today's video I'm going to be debugging and auditing a token smart contract, right? It's a token, or we can call it a smart contract. So I'm going to be doing that in today's video. Okay, so a subscriber of mine reached out to me. I'm just going to show you the message here. So he was telling me that he cannot provide liquidity for his token. So that was what inspired me to actually make this video and show you guys how you guys can do it. So on checking, he provided me with his contract address, which I'm going to show you guys right now. So on checking his contract address, so this is contract address, as you can see his token is verified, which is a very good thing. Actually, this last transaction, this transfer that failed, was us trying to see why it failed. It was him trying to send some tokens to me, and you can see here it failed. So we are going to debug this smart contract, know why it's failing, know why he cannot provide liquidity for his token. We're going to fix it, and we are going to deploy this same smart contract on Binance Smart Chain, but on a testnet, and we're going to run the transfer and see whether we actually solve the problem. As you can see, his smart contract, or his token, so let's just open it in a new tab. This is his token. As you can see here, it's let's allow this to load. So it has 100 million supply, it has 20 holders. As you can see, the smart contract is verified. So we're going to deploy this same token. I'm also going to show you guys how you guys can verify the smart contract. So let's go to the code. So this is the code here. We're just going to copy this code because we want to know why he cannot make transfer, or why he cannot provide liquidity. And we're just going to go to ChatGPT. We're going to paste this code here to know what this smart contract is all about. This is a better, faster, and more efficient way, right? So to just tell you, context unable. So all these contracts are open Zeppelin's contract, so we are not interested in. So this is what we are interested in. As you can see here, number 5, it says the contract defines steering mode, normal mode, restricted mode, and controlled mode. So on normal mode, there's no restriction on transfer. On restricted mode, tokens transfer are completely restricted, and on controlled mode, only transfer involving the owners are allowed. So this is interesting, guys. So we're going to copy this same code, and we're going to take it to our Visual Studio Code. So this is the same code, we just copied it to our Visual Studio Code. So this is the same code we got from here. This is the same code we got from here. So this is the same code. So let's just look at the code, right? So this is the code, and I've named it KONVATI subscriber.sol. So if you come here, if you come to the deployment of this code, you can see here, upon deployment, the mode is set to transfer restricted. So that means this smart contract is not going to allow any transfer. So that is the problem, right? And this mode can also be changed. It can be changed. If you can see here, normal mode is 0, transfer mode restricted, mode transfer restricted, it's 1, mode transfer control is 2. So now let's go and read the smart contract. The good thing about verifying your smart contract is that anybody can read your smart contract, and anybody can interact with your smart contract directly from the blockchain explorer. In this case, this is Binance Smart Chain, this is BSC Scan, so this is their explorer. In Ethereum, we can use Etherscan and just interact with the contracts immediately. So as you can see, it's the same thing. Normal mode is 0, transfer mode control is 2, and transfer mode restricted it's 1. So it's just the same thing from here, right? So we want to check which mode this contract is currently on. As you can see, the mode is 1, and 1 represents transfer restricted, right? So in order to fix this code and make it to be able to transfer its token, we're just going to change this to normal mode. We're just going to copy this, and we're going to replace this normal mode. We're going to save this file. So that is it, guys. That is all we have to do. I don't know who wrote this code and made the mode restricted. I made the transfer mode restricted, right? But another thing, another solution is that the owner can come and change the mode here. The owner can go to write contract. The owner can connect his wallet on Binance Smart Chain, BSC scan, and change the mode. Because if you come here, if you scroll down, we can see here set mode public only owner. So it's only the owner, that's whoever created the smart contract, can change the mode. Nobody else can change the mode. So guys, as you can see, all we have to do here, we hover to write contract, we come to set mode, and let's just go back to our code. So we want to set the mode to normal mode, right? So we're just going to change this to 0. But unfortunately for me or for him, I'm not the owner of this smart contract. So even if I connect my wallet, it's not going to work because it's only the owner that can change the mode, right? So now we're just going to deploy the same smart contract. As you can see, we have changed the mode here on the same code. So we're just going to deploy the same smart contract, and we're going to verify it. So this video, you're going to know how to deploy. You're also going to know how to verify your smart contract on BSC scan. And we're also going to try and do some transfer and see whether it worked. As you can see, this is the main one. We just tried to do some transfer just now, like 1 hour ago. Before me making this video, it did not work. So now we're going to deploy the smart contract. So I've done some changes here. So I have changed the mode to normal, and obviously I have changed the name of the token. So it's going to be called KONVATI subscriber token, because I cannot call it the same token that he used, right? But it's the same code. I've also changed the symbol KST. So guys, KST to the moon, guys. So we have put the supply to the 10 million. Let's go ahead and deploy and verify the smart contract. So we're just going to bring up our terminal. So since we're using Foundry, so we're just going to go forge script deploy.s.so. We pass in our testnet RPC URL. If we're going to deploy this on the mainnet, we're going to use our mainnet RPC URL. We're going to pass in our private key and -- broadcast verifier. We're going to pass in our Etherscan API key. But since we are deploying it on Binance Smart Chain, aka BSC scan, we're just going to pass in our BSC scan API key. But if it's going to be on the Ethereum network, we're going to pass in our Etherscan API key. So whatever chain you are using, I just get the API key and pass in the API key, right? So after that, we're just going to hit enter. As you can see, guys, it's compiling. 2 file compiled successfully. Okay, so that's done. Let's just give it some time. It's going to deploy. It's going to verify on Binance Smart Chain, and we're going to check it, and we're also going to interact with it. We're going to try and send it. We're also going to go to PancakeSwap, and we're going to provide liquidity for this smart contract token. As you can see, guys, it has been deployed successfully on the Binance testnet. This is the smart contract address. So what it's doing now is trying to verify it. As you can see, start verification for one contract. It's trying to verify the contract on BSC scan. Okay, so let's just give it some time to do its thing, right? So this is Foundry, guys. If you want to learn how to use Foundry, I have a video on Foundry. If you want me to audit, if you want me to debug your smart contract, or if you want me to help you create your smart contract or work on your project, just head over to konvati.com/withdraw. You are going to be redirected to me. Just let me know what you want, okay? Just let me know what you want. Okay, it's taking time. So let's just go ahead and copy this smart contract address. Let's open a new tab. Let's type BSC scan testnet. Perfect. Let's open this in a new tab. So we're going to paste this smart contract address. So as you can see, guys, this is the token that we just created, KONVATI subscriber. Let's open this token in a new tab. As you can see, guys, so this is the total supply, 10 million KST, guys. Our token is live. And it has 10 million KSC. And It only has one holder, which is me, because I just created the token. As you can see, it was created 1 minute ago. Let's go to the contract. As you can see, if your contract is not verified, you cannot work with your contract on any explorer, any blockchain explorer. In this case, this is Binance BSC scan. So this is what it's just going to show, right? So it's supposed to show something like this. We see the code and we can read the contract. We can also write to the contract, that we can interact with the contract, right? So in my own case, it hasn't been verified yet, so we can either click verify and publish. So guys, now we are going to be providing liquidity for this smart contract. So let's just go to PancakeSwap testnet. Let's hit enter. So we're just going to open this in a new tab. This is the Binance Smart Chain testnet. So we're going over to N. We're going to come to farm and liquidity. Okay, we're going to click on my position. As you can see, I have no position, but first let's connect our wallet. Let's connect our MetaMask wallet. We're going to hit connect. So guys, as you can see, our wallet has been connected. Okay, let's click import tokens, right? So let's get this contract address. Tokens contract. So we're just going to copy this. We're going to copy this contract address. Let's try and expand this view. Expand view, perfect. So we're going to import token. We're going to put in the contract address that we just created. Let's go back. Okay, as you can see, it brought up the token symbol KST. We're going to hit import. As you can see, guys, our token has been imported to our MetaMask, and we can see this is 10 million. So we're going to provide liquidity right now. So we're going to hit add liquidity. So this is the version 3 liquidity pool of PancakeSwap. So it's going to be BNB, and we're going to put in our contract address, so which is KONVATI subscriber token. We're going to import this unknown source, I understand. Good. So now we're going to provide liquidity. If you go to our MetaMask, we have some BNB, right? We're going to provide 0.1 BNB liquidity and our token. So let's go back and let's see whether it's going to work, right? Just put 0.2 BNB. So we're going to click enable KST, and it's going to let us sign. So as you can see, we're creating our liquidity. We're going to hit confirm, and we're going to add liquidity. We're going to add. We're going to hit confirm. Transaction submitted on BSC scan. We're going to close. So let's view this on BSC scan. So this is the transaction we just did, and we just provided liquidity for this token. So we give them BNB and we give them this token, so anybody can go ahead and trade this token on PancakeSwap. As you can see, guys, it's working. We can also send this token to another BNB holder, right? So let's just try and do a transfer of this token. Okay, as you can see, my money has gone down. We're going to try and transfer this token. Just hit send. So let's get a random BNB address to send this token to. Okay, so let's copy this address and let's send this token to this address. So we're going to send this guy 0.0002 KST. This is just to check if the transfer is working. Let's hit send. We're going to hit confirm. and guys, we have sent 0.002 KST. So let's just go back to our smart contract and let's check. So let's refresh this page. So this is the transfer that we just did. As you can see, the transfer went through. You can open this in a new tab, and that's just because as you can see, the transfer went through, and just because we changed the mode to normal transfer mode, and we also provided liquidity here. So this is the transaction that we did that made us provide liquidity. It's a BIP20 token. So that's how you provide liquidity in PancakeSwap. So guys, if you want me to help you create a token or a smart contract of your choice, or if you want me to help you debug your smart contract code or audit your smart contract, just head over to konvati.com/withdraw. You're going to be redirected to me. Just let me know how I can help you. Or if you're having any issues with your token or your crypto or your smart contract, right? Just head over to konvati.com/withdraw. Just let me know how I can help you. Alright guys, see you in my next video. Fearless.